Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to copper pipe fittings. First, ensure your copper pipes and fittings are perfectly clean. Use a wire brush or sandpaper to remove any oxidation or debris from the pipe ends and the inside of the fittings. This crucial step guarantees a strong, leak-free solder joint. Next, apply a thin, even layer of flux to both the pipe and the fitting. This prepares the surfaces for the solder to flow smoothly. Once flux is applied, assemble the joint. Now, it's time to heat. Direct your torch flame onto the fitting, not directly on the pipe. Heat the fitting until it's hot enough to melt the solder. Touch the solder wire to the joint on the side opposite your heat source. The solder should melt and be drawn into the joint by capillary action, creating a complete seal. Remove the heat once the joint is filled. After the solder has flowed completely around the joint, remove the heat and allow the joint to cool naturally. Do not touch or move the pipe while it's cooling, as this can weaken the joint. Once cool, use a damp cloth to wipe away any excess flux residue from the outside of the joint. This prevents corrosion and gives a clean finish. Finally, visually inspect the joint for a smooth, continuous solder bead. Once all your joints are cool and clean, it's time to test for leaks. Turn on the water supply and pressurize the system. Carefully check each joint for any drips or seeping water. If you find a leak, you'll need to reheat, disassemble, clean, and resolder that specific joint. Remember to always use lead-free solder for any potable water applications. For more great deals and to grab a Little Tree's Black Ice air freshener, check the description below. Thanks for watching and happy plumbing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.